Alright, what's the deal, YouTube, man? It's SRT Show, man. We back with another video. But no, though, today, I'm gonna be explaining to y'all what happened, though, like, on some real shit, though. Like, it's crazy, like, bro, I'm literally, like, getting off the freeway, right? I'm getting off the freeway, right? I'm in the right lane, and then the one dude, like, the semi truck, he's in the left lane, right? So, look, we both turning, like, around the corner, right? We turning like this, right? We turning, and I'm still in the right lane, mind you. But he in the left lane, and he don't, like, he's not doing, like, a wide turn, he's just doing a normal turn, because he in the left lane. So, bro, we both turn, right? But then we both just going normally straight. So, dude, like, bro, we literally going straight, though. Like I said, we going straight and shit. Because after we got done turning. So, we turn, right? We going straight. Bro, tell me why bro started to, like, literally just, like, go like this. So, we going straight. And I'm literally, no homo. I'm literally inside him, like where his truck is. So, like, I'm like this, bro. But then it's, like, a turn. Like, kind of like this right here. Show him real quick. So, it's, like, a turn like this, right? Where I can get over, bro. But I ended up, like it happened too late. Or whatever, because I'm like still going up because he started the turn when I'm like damn near like where that would be at right there. See? Point at that little curve real quick. Y'all see that sign right there? So like say I'm like right there, right? But I have to like literally turn to the right like that, damn near, boom, because he about to like literally come in my lane, bro. So he coming in my lane and shit, bro. And then he obviously, you know, turned because he like this ain't gonna do nothing to him. Literally like flame my whole car to the right, bro. And I'm literally ended up in a ditch, bro. Like, well, not even a ditch, but like it looked like a ditch because it's all the damn dirt. But like I ended up like shooting my car into like some like construction shit. I literally got ran off the road. Like it was like some mixer that I hit like a concrete mixer, and then it was like bricks and shit. It was bricks all under my car and shit. Like it was like a bucket like collided with my bumper and shit. Like I hit the fucking mixer so hard that like bro it left like a big ass dent on the fucking what you call that shit, the damn panel and shit. So yeah, bro, like it was crazy, bro. It was either like I did that or I literally would have got by the semi truck and it would have been over. Like, bro,
yeah, that shit crazy, bro.
And I honestly thought when I got out the car, the damages was gonna be bad, but like, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I honestly got lucky. All I really got was like a scratch on the door, like a little baby ass scratch, and then obviously the fucking the dent on the panel, on the right panel, and then my bumper needs to be replaced because it's cracked. But other than that, bro, it's not that bad. I just wonder like if I get the new parts, like will I be able to get like how much would it cost for the paint? Because I know I'm gonna have to get the shit painted. Unless they can somehow revive this like bumper and shit. And the fucking fender shit, like if they can do that, then that'd be fire. I wouldn't even have to like worry about nothing else. But then just getting the paint, like to correct the shit. But either than that, the damage really not that bad. I'm gonna show y'all once we get out the car. Just do both. All right, y'all, we heading to Buffx right now. We have to figure out how much this shit costs, bro. This is low-key my first time coming here. I'm not gonna lie.
A few moments later.
What are they not in here?
Right here. Oh shit, the G-Wagon.
Oh shit.
Cybertruck.
Damn. Look at this guy. Yo, where the fuck am I gonna park at, though? Shit, I'm about to park my shit on the side of the building then. Fuck it. Oh shit.
Damn, somebody's 52,000.
I gotta turn this bitch around though.
Are they selling this?
You said what?
Are they selling this?
Damn, I can't see my fucking the damn sun going crazy. Oh shit, I'm about to back into something. Well, you know they got tires up here for like 150,
40,
like 305. Now they got like 305s, like the tire size that I need.
Damn.
Oh shit.
Damn,
Oh
the
shit.
sun doing the damn thing. Oh shit. Fuck, tripping in the parking lot.
Dog called me Unc, that's crazy. Alright, but let me park this bitch, bro. I'm about to park on the side and just be like, I need some help. We out, come on.
Yeah, it is.
Y'all can follow me.
Let's go, big bro. I'm ready to ride.
How you doing? I need to show.
Show what up there.
Keep on.
What's the car?
Oh, it's over here.
Alright, shit.
Me?
Yo, yeah. Call your insurance company. Dropped it off here.
So yesterday, like 2 days ago, I was like pretty much getting off the freeway, right? And I'm literally right by the crib. So it's just like I'm in the right lane, and then it's a semi truck in the left lane. So as I'm turning, right? So this the truck, right? So I'm like this, and then he's literally like we're going straight, but then it's like a turn, right? Something like this. So as I'm like standing in my right lane, he's like trying to turn, but he literally ran me off the road. So like I ended up like pretty much like going into a gas station, like damn near like crashing into like some construction shit. But it wasn't that bad though. Like it's crazy. But like I don't know like what I would need like besides a bumper. But,
Under
like,
bumper,
yeah.
headlight.
Headlight?
Headlight more than like that has broken tabs. As soon as you pull it apart. Are you gonna go through your insurance or are you gonna do it?
I was gonna do it like I was gonna see how much it costs to do it without insurance before I filed the claim because I didn't want my insurance to go.
Pop your hood.
I got you.
Headlight, so this is the thing. As soon as I take off the bumper, I know there's going to be pressure against the headlight, broken tabs. I'll repair the tabs, change the fender, change the bumper, paint them. Let me see how much it's going to cost us.
Yeah, I was gonna say like
This is the last call.
oh yeah, I know, bro. I was mad as hell, like bro.
Not on the last call, man. What? But hey, look at the bright side. It's really not that bad.
Yeah, it's really, that's what I was saying. Like I got so, and then look right here. Like I low-key got, I don't know, I got it like the worst way, even though it's bad. Like pretty much that, and then that little scratch right there. That was literally it.
Who cares about that scratch? I mean, we could paint it when we're painting.
Yeah.
Paint
How much do you think the paint would cost to get?
Yeah, I'm about to give you a price.
All right, bet.
Can you drop it off at 1 o'clock?
Bro, this is hard. This is what I want right here. Bro, imagine this in the whip, bro.
Yeah.
This shit feels so normal. This shit feel good. Oh shit, they go Scatpack right here. But this for a narrow body.
I mean, this the one I was looking at.
Oh yeah, this is hard, bro.
They do got 4G.
Get the fire switch though. Them was hard too. It is the sand, like, yeah, I'll show you, like, this, bro, like, this, it was crazy.
This bitch to the Sandins?
No, like, I literally crashed into, like, like, some construction shit. It was, like, bro, it was hectic. Pretty much, like, that truck right there literally ran me off the road, like, it was crazy, like, and then that's what happened. That was, like, the aftermath. And then I knocked that down, too, that, sand mixer.
How the fuck you end up?
That's what I'm saying, bro. I only ended up with a little bit of damage, like, but it was like stuck under the pallet and shit. It was crazy. Like the bucket dented my the front, like bro, it was under another bucket right there. Like that's what I'm saying. Like, I thought it was gonna be worse when I got out, but it wasn't. I got.
Does
so
it drive
lucky.
funny?
Drive funny?
Yeah.
Like the paint?
Like the suspension.
Oh, did I? Oh no, everything feels good. Like it feels good as hell. It's still the
You're
same.
green. You're green, no issues.
Yeah, just all cosmetic. So I just can't be riding around like that. That's just like
I
crazy.
ain't gonna lie, yeah.
Damn.
They crashed into the. He never bought this car. They crashed it into the fence. It was the first one out.
Yeah.
When they were stealing it.
Damn,
Damn.
bro, that's crazy. Oh yeah, another one. For the Brembos, I wanted to get red Brembos, but I couldn't order them because they didn't have it on there for some reason. How much would it cost to get them like wrapped?
If you get it painted, it's better.
Better?
Paint, primer, clear coat. It's like 95 per caliper. Comes out to like 380 or something.
Oh, that's perfect.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't either do
It's
them
cheaper
with
than
red.
optioning it at
blue.
the dealership.
Right.
No, for sure. That was like $500, $600.
No, it's $1,500.
Oh shit, for red Brembo? That's crazy.
Yeah.
I did not know that. Damn.
The dealership will call me all the time saying, Sam, yo, they want blue caliper.
Yeah.
You want to send them over?
You doing red or blue?
Shit, probably blue.
You know, we just did a car with the paint match calipers, the same color as the car, and that's crazy.
That shit
Oh, that's
hard.
hard.
Yeah, that
I'll
shit
probably
hard.
just do some blue then. Shit, fuck it. Bro, okay, we about to get this shit fixed soon as hell. Man, it was nice meeting you, though. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
it was a pleasure, bro.
Nice
Let me know
meeting
whenever
you
you're ready.
again,
Got you, man.
Pleasure, Brody.
Thank you.
All right, boys.
So
Let's
they set you
get
up on Instagram?
Huh?
They set you up on Instagram?
Text the Instagram or just call us and ask for Sam.
All right, bet.
All right, my boy. Drive safe. Be safe.
All right, you too.
All right, y'all. We just left Buffx and shit, bro. We got the price, so we do? Just gotta get this cash so we can buy this shit up. But I don't look, he got hooked up though, no cap. Yeah, bro. That shit was fun, I'm not gonna lie. That was my first time there. That shit was lit. And then we might even get the calibers painted too, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, them would be hard.
Red or body color? What you thinking?
Probably the body color.
Body color? I'm not gonna lie. I'm thinking body color too. I just love blue.
The steering wheel too.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm about to come back strong as hell, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, bro, come back about to be crazy. No cap.